Okay, hello there, I'm Dennis. Welcome to my channel, Life, Home, and My Linux Journeys. And in this journey, I'm going to be talking about the new Lenovo Legion computer that I had originally put Linux Mint on, the Ubuntu version Linux Mint. And my desire was always to install Arch Linux on it, and I finally took the plunge probably about a month ago now. We'll look at that here in a second, but let's go to my Linux Mint desktop. So this would be the Lenovo, and let's see, specs on it. Lenovo Legion running the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 with 12 gigabytes of RAM. It's a pretty decent machine, and I've installed Linux Mint on it originally on 3/14 of 2024. And can't say, this is the XFCE version. Let's run a screen fetch, and that should show you that I'm running XFCE right here. So I've had really no problems with it. However, my ultimate goal on this machine was to install Arch Linux, and that's what I've done. Let me bring up my disk, verify. You'll see here's a 1 terabyte. This one has Arch Linux on it. This one is the one that I installed Linux Mint on, but I put it in a USB device separate from the computer and booted into it, and that's what we're doing right here. We can further verify that by running a lsblk-d for disk, and you'll see there's two. The one that's actually running off of it's given SDA because it's a USB drive. The NVMe 1 terabyte drive will have Arch Linux on it. So I'm going to stop this video, and when I come back, I'll be in my Arch, or in my Arch Linux. Okay, so I'm back, and we're on the Arch Linux installation on the Lenovo Legion. So let me go to my desktop and we'll start looking at it. All right, so I run my TD script here, and it's checking for UEFI. It's UEFI, and it's checking for X11 or Wayland. We're using X11. Installation date was 4/29, so in 2 days it'll be 2 months I've actually been running Arch Linux on here with absolutely no problem whatsoever. I didn't even mess with the swappiness because it has 64 gigs of RAM, not going to need any. Here is the disk that we just looked at while I was in Linux Mint, and it had a SDA description, and here it has the NVMe0N1. All right, so that's the Lenovo. Close that out. Clear the screen. Let's run a screen fetch. And that'll show us once again, this is Arch Linux, XFCE desktop. Actually, let me clear that and run that again. Try that. There we go. We're running NVIDIA GeForce 13th Gen Intel iCore, or Core i7. So, NC-AG for audio and graphics. Graphics, we're running X11. Display service with X-Wayland support. Audio, I'm running Pulse Audio. I hadn't really seen a need in my use case scenarios to change that to Pipewire, although you can't. It's very easy. So this is my new desktop with all my software installed that I want to use regular basis. We'll bring up VirtualBox here. I have Endeavor OS set up in the VirtualBox, so that I plan on doing that next. We'll install, so far we've installed Linux, MxLinux, and Linux Mint. So now we're going to install Endeavor OS, and you can see this is older ISO. I'm going to check, probably download a newer one before we start that one. But that's it. This is my desktop now. Thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next video. Peace out, guys. Bye.
Thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you on another video. Bye.